Reddit is a goldmine for OnlyFans promotion if you know how to do it right. Step 1. Build an account from scratch. Don't buy Reddit accounts. I mean it. They will literally consistently get banned because Reddit has become so strict. Instead, create an account from scratch and build it up by posting in low karma groups that allow you to post there. This way you can slowly work up to getting more karma and more likes on your posts, which will eventually allow you to post in larger groups once you have enough, but absolutely don't start there as a beginner. With that being said, do not join subreddits that have thousands of members or even hundreds of thousands or millions. That's a big no. Number 2, finding the right subreddits. Look for subreddits that have to do with OnlyFans promo, or Fansly promo, or MYM promo, creators advice, but especially join subreddits that fit your niche and your personality and what you portray as a creator. So this could be blonde eyes, blue hair, brunette hair, slim, thick, anything of that sort, what fits you the best. Number 3, post with purpose. Don't spam your link at all. Share quality content, engage in the comments, and build trust while promoting. You can post your OnlyFans link on your profile so your fans know exactly where to go to get through to your exclusive content. Another great detail to add to your Reddit profile is a picture of you holding a piece of paper that states your Reddit name so potential fans know that you are absolutely real and who you say you are. This will absolutely add a great sense of trust for them. And lastly, number 4, follow the rules. Each subreddit has its own rules and you'll absolutely get banned or have your post removed if you do not follow these. So definitely read everything before posting and stay on the safe side. I'm really curious to see how much success that you ladies have had with Reddit. Leave a comment down below to let us know. And with that being said, I also would like to say that Luna's Models now has a new spot available in their agency. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the link down below to apply to them. And as well, their models use drop bans to monetize their content all over social media using one link in bio. You've heard me talk about it before. And again, of course, the link is in the description. So go ahead and start using it today. It's free, as well as our OnlyFans guide is also free. The link is also in the description. So don't forget to grab that on your way out. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye!